it's your girl Alien Ling Lee, and I'm going to show you how to slay with nothing but beauty supply store makeup. I'm so excited. This is my very first YouTube video, so this shit about to be lit as hell. Woo woo. Let's just jump right into it or whatever. I'm just going to talk and stuff, so yeah. So the first step that I do is my eyebrows. This is my eyebrow pencil. This pencil is 99¢ at any beauty supply store, or they have like markers if you're into that, you know. Then you can move on with this concealer. I really don't know anything about this brand, honestly. I use it for my eyebrows, like the light skin parts of my face, but it's $3. It's cheap and it works well, so I like it. Like, obviously I like it. It's I put this foundation like on my whole face, but before I put this foundation, blush to go in and correct some of my bags and stuff, because I have bags under my eyes, but I'm a red bitch, so usually red helps correct that. So, you know, make it look like somebody punched you in your face, and just wherever you see like bad flaws, you just put your color. So if you're like more yellow, you would put yellow. If you're more of an orange person, you put orange. You just got to figure out what color is your speed, like it's color contrast or something like that. I don't really know what it's called. But I saw it on YouTube, thought it was a great idea, tried it, and it worked amazingly. Okay, so now I'm going to put on my lashes and stuff. So I'm using these 99¢ lashes. I bought 2 of them because I'm gonna actually double the lashes up so they look more like mink lashes. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys this on camera, so I'm gonna just explain it. Basically what you do is you get 2 of these lashes like this, you put water, you soak them in some water, you stick them together, fan them out, and they look just like $20 mink lashes. I promise it works every time. I'm actually going to show y'all the end result, so I'll be right back. So as I let my my lashes dry, because you know I got that whole thing going on with the lashes. As I let that set, I'm going to go in and do my eyeliner. I don't always do eyeliner, but when I do, boy, I do eyeliner. So now I'm just going to go in and contour my face. So this is the end result. Hope you liked this tutorial. I'm gonna put my Instagram name somewhere right here. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and comment what you want me to do next, because I'm so new to this YouTube stuff. I don't know what to do.